What's up, YouTube? Sean from Sean the Pack coming back at ya. And today, I'm doing a challenge that is put out by the new 3 Minute to Win It Club. Mini corn dogs. I got 25 here because I have to eat as many as I can in 3 minutes. And I really don't think I'm going to get past 25. And the timer's 3 minutes. There. Got a water because we're allowed to drink with it. And we have to make sure we pick it up and so everybody is putting them in the mouth. So, and whatever's in our mouth at the end of the 3 minutes still counts. We can't put anything else in. There's multiple groups in this. Let me see, I wrote them all down. So, if you guys want to check them out, here, let's say who they all are. I can't remember them all, and my dogs are starting to bark.
Shut up.
Can you dogs please knock it off? Get through one video without you guys barking. Sorry guys, bear with me. Okay, so the other members of this group, as of right now, Fighting for Love on YouTube, Scoville Unit, Kris from the Scoville Unit, the Pack Up North, Ginger Paranormal, Miss Scoville Unit, Beth, Joshua Maxwell, Brainstorm Challenges, Grom X Squatch, and then Tom from Two Idiots and a Dum-Dum, or Two Dum-Dums and an Idiot, I think it is. Sorry about that. And then the Fluffy Bearded Man, Robert. So, and of course I'm Sean from Sean the Pack. We're trying to get this lady in it over here, Miss Spirit Wolf, Mama Wolf. So without further ado, let's get some music going and start the timer.
Shit on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging on till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause some
Not bad. Some mini corn dogs. I had 25 on the plate, so at the end I'll count. Wow. Something that looks. Oh my God. Alright, that's it guys. I have 6 left. I hit 25. So, it'll be 20. I got 19. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop that. Stop that. How did damn, stop. Okay. Like I said, there's 25 on there. They can go back and they can count. That's what they're going to do. I got 19. Yeah, better than nothing. Every week on Monday, we pick a new challenge to do. And we have all week to get it up. So, stay tuned, guys. Hopefully, everybody else gets this done. You know, I'm going to kick back and finish the last 6 of these things. And you guys have a wonderful day. Please like, share, and subscribe. And check out everybody I said on that list. I'll probably throw all their channels in the description below. So you guys can check all them out and see if they do this challenge this week. And hopefully everybody does next week's challenge. And again, please like, share, and subscribe, guys. Bye.